Hello Scorpions, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram SASHELLS Essentials Running. Alright, let's start with your reading. This is going to be right from mid-April 2021 till mid-May, okay, 2021, though timeless reading. So I had the call and I am doing right like mid-months to mid-months, okay, apart from weeklies and all that stuff. Check out also my heart reading. So let's start with the reading. Twin Flame Soulmates Connections, general, universal, may or may not resonate with every one of you at the same time. And follow me on Instagram. If I'm repeating it, I do it times. So Scorpions, I heard the word confusion. You have certain confusion regarding certain Ace of Sword, okay? I feel this is connected with your communication with the person, all right? And this is about whether you should do it or not, or maybe this is confusion regarding yes or no in your life, regarding certain proposal that you might have done recently, or you might got involved with someone here, which may be just the first step of hellos and everything, and now you are confused about whether I should do it and how I should do it. So confusion may be between yes, no's. You are not getting the answer right now because something is on hold, or you are just thinking about how to approach this person, okay? If you are already involved with this person, there is some communication that you really need to clear out. There is something confusion. Now this confusion may, I'm hearing the word tick, T-I-C-K. There is something that you are like in yourself, you're having a tick. Scorpions are going through like possible, like this confusion is clear, but you have certain list here. I'm not saying that you're noting it down, it's just that it's in mind and heart, okay? Something that is connected with heart to heart. Confusion may connect with the triangle here. We're going to see what is happening here, but it's someone who is unsure. This may be other energy, or this may be something with you, okay? You might be involved with Knight of Cups energy, I mean water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces in one go. In this whole time frame, like I'm picking mid to mid-month, it's going to be a little bit time of confusion within relationship, or something that you really need to clear out with the person. That's what I say. This may be with the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy as well. This may be something someone is thinking of making big proposal here. I feel though. This may be an apology. Maybe you're seeking, they're seeking, but I feel like this is big proposal and it's about laying the foundation. Ace of Pentacles, okay? This may be a triangle as well and you don't know, okay? Triangle because they might not be giving you the answer. If this is going on with Scorpions. This may be then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This may be between, in front of you, okay? This may be something connected with the promise made to this person. I feel someone is cutting off from Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in order to get along with making a big proposal here for either Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or just stabilizing as an energy form here with the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, however it goes with you. There is confusion because I feel if this is not you guys, this may go vice versa, though you know that these are general reading, but I feel if this is not you, this is the other person who is creating this mess between you and them, okay? Because there is Seven of Swords energy. I heard the word yet unaware, so possible this is all about the confusion that is prevailing. Maybe someone is lying. Someone over here who is important to you is lying. The Empress. There may be a female figure in your life, very important. Maybe you are the female figure listening to this and your partner is doing this. If this is not the case, as an energy form, this is someone who is very important in your life right now. But there are some disagreements, okay? And I feel, look, in this crystal visions, there is unknown card. This is my favorite. This is something like more than major to me, okay? It's like something that is yet unknown, as I said so, unknown territory, okay? Let's see your overall vibe now. Like expectation is all about, I'm seeing here triangle. I see dots, like 3 dots making triangle here. Something is confusion, okay? Let's see. I also heard the word with whom they will go. With whom they will go. Can you see? There's again one of the fire side, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but in energy form, with whom they will go. This is something that someone is keeping under control, feeling something, okay? But it's also confidence that is coming along, like with whom they'll go. But there is still the weight, and this weight is about desires connected. It's not negative weight, it's something Okay, we're going to clear out. Oh my god. It's not a negative weight because you are having justice right beneath it, which is about a justified situation, obviously. But there is, as I said, 3 connection. So maybe 3 of Wands is all about making right choice or waiting for someone's answer. I feel that. There may be distance, but I feel that. Oh my god. You see that? The card that came out is 3 of Swords energy. That's your overall energy. I picked up 3 dots. I picked up triangle. I picked up a little bit of confusion. Whole scenario of 3 of Swords energy. I feel though. I heard heavy. Heavy on heart, heavy betrayal. With the 7 of Swords energy, someone is, I heard cover up. Someone is covering up something, or yeah. There's going to be startling communication, which is not on something like a surprise end. It's like more of like shocking, okay? Knight of Swords energy. There may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but I feel someone's gonna clear something to someone here, okay? Which is going to be, yeah, 3 of Swords. It's like I see 2 people flying away, which means that they are going to be together, and one is saying adios. Because if you will not do it or someone is not doing it, it's breaking hearts, okay? It's something that someone might be covering up with roses, but inside they don't feel anything. There is a cold ambience in someone's heart. If this is with you, you're going to clear out something with this person, I feel though. There's going to be very rushy communication, if that makes sense, a rushed communication here, and this may be even the meeting, okay? However it goes, this may be more for like via video or some communication via phone. Something is happening here. There's a triangle. This may be the talk of separation or divorce as well for some cases, because you got the Justice card as well, okay, and Libra. Yes, it's going to be no more drag. It's like I'm tired and I just need rest. I free you, I let you go, basically I release you. Scorpions are going through with their own phase of death season, which might be again action oriented approach in this time frame especially, and someone over here is getting hot-headed, okay? Whatever is happening, Scorpions are going through their own phase of death card, number 13. You may be ending something connected with number 13, which may be 13 years to 13 weeks to 13 months as well, but for some I'm picking very heavy energy of 13 years. I heard the word 13 years, wish they could, okay? Wish they could, possible wish they could understand or understood you, or you may go vice versa. I mean, however it pertains with you, yeah. It's like, I can't. Somebody is saying I can't choose to be, like, I feel it's you. You're saying I can't choose to be in a confused state. Again, you have 7 of Cups energy. A lot of confusion is here, first thing. And it's also something that you're going to pick me up. Like, it's not even choosing mutual. It's like picking. Okay, what do you mean by that? There's going to be something, it's not heart throbbing, it's heart aching, of course. But remember, even looking at 3 of Swords, even if its heart is aching, you know, this makes it. It's better than to cry for life than cry once and for all to end things, okay? I know it's not easy, but then again, it is very important, because I feel someone is keeping you in confused state with the 5 of Swords energy here. I don't feel this relationship or connection or even situation is worth giving your time. You're supposed to see ahead and dream and desire, okay? Because in this, you're just feeling no clarity. First thing, someone kept you at crossroads, if it happened with you or something is happening with them. Ace of Swords is here as well. I said so, there's confusion, but with the Ace of Swords, it's communication and clarity coming. So your overall energy is 3 of Swords. You're going to put action into this. You got your card, Death card. Now here you go, maybe you're involved or were involved with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and you're moving on, making decision here with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, as I said in the startup. This might be the confusion you're clearing out of this Queen of Wands energy, because you're getting again second last card as this. Okay? Because something is ending with this person, I feel. I see not to go back. Death, Scorpions. You're having this kind of transition here. It's like no more wake up. So I feel like they want to put this card. As I talked about, you're getting your own energy, your own card of number 13. Death. It's time to release. I said so. It's going to be, for some cases, this is not for everyone, it's going to be like, it's like phew, the way we write PHEWWW. But this is important for you. If you will not do it, you're going to be encircling in this karmic connection, or whatever is your situation. It's hurting, it's painful, of course. The moment you're going to end this, and the moment you're going to transition, okay, you're going to basically heal, of course. If you have already done that, it goes that way. I picked up the number 13 for you, so maybe this is 13 years or 13 months or 13 weeks of whatever goes for you. The moment you're going to be done with this, there's going to be Ray coming. Ray, someone's name Ray, I don't know, but ray of hope, ray of light, growth. Basically, all the clouds and everything will go away. You are having a flip here, Eight of Swords. That's where you're coming from. Eight of Swords is a place where you've been in and you need not to be in. Okay. I hear that you are unleashing. You've been trying unleashing this situation for a very long time, and you covered up yourself in order to think for a proper idea, but this was a confused state. This is what confusion is. You had the way, but you never did it possible, or you were unable to do it. Sometimes we want to do it, but we are unable to do it, okay? Seven of Pentacles, waited patiently, but this patience went out, okay? Went out of stock. The Hierophant might be a Taurus here, but this is also something, you know, you wanted to secure something. It was like, I follow, I want it, I am into it kind of energy. So maybe marriage, maybe relationship, maybe you were involved with someone who was in love or relationship or marriage, but you also have Eight of Cups energy. I feel for many of you, maybe this is fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, somewhere you were dealing or dealt with, wherein you are marking your way out of situation. Okay, detachment, or someone detached themselves from this. They don't want to be here in this. That's why you thought like, what happened? But whatever was in your head, you are claiming it. Basically, the first step is accepting it, and you people are doing it. Things being, yeah, you people are doing it. Things being in a little bit of rush here. No. Let's see in your now. You had, it was 1326, but I saw 1313 something. Okay. Queen of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius might be in your chart, or maybe this is just the energy form, okay? I heard the word helping hand. I don't know, maybe this is your someone from your family or close friend, but you know this person, okay? But I feel as an energy form, you are getting into this energy form to get rid of some argument, disagreement, okay? You finally, okay. Earlier you had that chapter of like 90-10, okay, which is about 90% heart, 10% head. Now it is about your 99% here and 1%, however your percentage is, I'm not going to tell you that, but your maximum is here. You're thinking about this now, okay, because you were giving a lot of space to someone here. And again, these can go vice versa. So you're in this mode of, I'm gonna cross. So you're taking your sword, your clarity, your logic, your practical thinking here, unleashing whatever was, and you're making way from those clouds. I heard the word someone is going to come in your life, okay, in your future. And I also see someone is coming in your life. The presence might be, if there is, this may be another Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Possible. Knight of Wands energy. This could be, yeah, with the Ace of Cups. There will be an offering. Okay, so maybe I'm speaking to people who are just coming out of and going with someone, because I said there is a triangle as well. So maybe this is someone you never noticed, or maybe you know them but partially, and this is the energy form who does want to become something in your life. Now it doesn't matter Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. As an energy form, this is someone who is going to bring news in your life, and it's going to be exciting. Another thing is that in your present call, there's going to be rush of events happening. With the fact that confusion gonna clear and there's going to be new journey that's going to begin in your life. Okay, maybe a new relationship, maybe just your life going ahead. You're having the bottom energy as Ace of Cups energy. This is for the, I heard, for the sake of love for me, for the sake of love for me. Or maybe new love is coming, proposal is coming, because as I said, there are 3 spots. Deep into your future, what is coming? Because these are so many, but there is something of Ace of Wands, action-oriented approach. New karma beginning for some of you here, or for many of you, I don't know. Can you tell us, or misters? Can you tell us? These are so many, I'm sorry. Someone caused you a lot of mess, I'm telling you, and this may be most probably Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. You waited, and actually you were thinking about, I wasted a lot of time. Because when words never match actions, it's a waste of time, to be honest. In your future, the Hierophant. This may be a legal matter that you're going to deal, because you're also having 3 of Swords, which may be the call of separation or divorce call, okay, for some. So there's going to be rush of activities. They're going to rush towards you to make this end or something like that. There's also something coming in your life, as I said. So in deep in your future, there's going to be new thing coming. This may be a Taurus, again I'm just repeating it, but I feel there is something of a Taurus energy. Rush of love coming in your life. This may be again Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. I don't know, I'm doing Scorpions reading, but again and again I'm picking like Capricorn. I don't know why. Okay, so this may be something that is connected with your past energy, and you're dealing with that, tackling it, ending it. Okay, it keeps bouncing back or something, confusion creating. But I feel for many of you, this may be very heavy in possible in your chart somewhere, or you are dealing, or you're going to deal. Okay. Please give us. I heard the word, someone's gonna say, I know. So you're going to involve, or you are involved with someone who is ready to join your journey in order to close the old chapters, and they know. Okay, so they know everything, okay, and they understand. So you have 0 the Fool energy. You have a new relationship here coming, new beginning, and this is also about you are getting free from some matter of relationship or case here, like, which is definitely about the divorce matter, separation call. Okay, so this may go either way, but I feel like it's all about you. It's all about me. It's all about me. If you're all about me and I'm all about someone is going to be like this. If you're all about me, I'm all about you. Okay? You're coming out of cobwebs. That's what clarity is. Everything was blurry, so much blurry. Now it's clear. This is something. There's a confession. So this goes with when confusion is there. There's also Ace of Swords, communication and confession. This is confession. First go love. Second go, this is about clarity from the past. Cobweb. A lot is in mind. I said so. So you need to clear that stuff out. It's a crap. It's garbage. It's you don't keep garbage inside. Remember that, because it's going to get rot. It's going to smell, and it's going to make your place cluttered, and it's going to make your place not lively. Okay, not even birds will come because they're going to smell it and they're going to be, oh, okay. Not even you want to live there. We're going to feel like, oh, I should change the place. Rather make your place beautiful, and that's going to be here. Make your heart beautiful in a way not to get rot because of the past energy or someone. That's what I want to say. don't get offended with the words. If that okay, sometimes people come on my channel and they say it has nothing to do. I understand people are going through a lot of stuff, guys. Okay, that's okay. Anxiety, depression, my purpose is to bring you out and bring as many people out of their troubles as well. Okay, it's just not prediction channel. So they say like this is this, this is this. Okay, you go with the terminology. I am a tarot reader and I connect intuitively. Okay, so this they say, I say. That's my way. Okay, everyone's way is different, guys, so love that if you love that. Otherwise, just let it pass. Okay, enjoy yourself. You have air, and air is going to be boom. When I say air, there's a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius first thing, but I also see communication. It's going to be something that's going to be so fast that's going to clear out the stuff. The air gonna take away all the cobwebs. The air gonna take away all the unclear zone. Unclear zone, basically. How my Scorpios, why am I picking that Capricorn wife for you? I don't know. I don't know. Is someone around you? Is someone... What is happening? I don't know. That's it. Something is unfinished. That is. Okay? And it's going to get finished. Wait is over. Some kind of wait is over. Then the card sticking to this was free. You're going to be free. I hope it's going to help you guys. I love you. See you soon. So you're going to get free from cobwebs, and it's gonna come clear your area. Wait is over, and finally you're free from something. And you also got, you're the Fool energy, new beginning, new starters, freedom from something. Okay, I hope you all are fine. Stay focused, stay loved, stay blessed. Bye.